Bonjour tout le monde, hello everybody, this is Lo from Lo App Design. Hey there, Lo from Lo App Design here. Today I'm going to make very short video to show you a quick and dirty trick to make your life easier when you are working on SketchUp, okay? So what I want is, I just want to access that group of wall here. And that part here is actually bothering me because it doesn't allow me to see everything. So, super duper easy. View, component edit, hide rest of the model. Okay, and then when you open a group, everything else disappears. The only thing you have left to see is actually the model, the group you are working on. Okay, so here what I want is a rectangle that goes from here to here. That's the only thing I wanted. Okay, and I wanted to hide everything else. No, mistake. I want a line. I want my rectangle to go all the way down there. Instead, I want it vertical. That would be awesome. On the blue axis, please. Here you are. Then erase that. Okay. And then, because I want that, look at, I want to apply that texture to only that part of the house, because that part of the wall here is actually inside the house, so I don't want that. All right, so that was a quick and dirty tool that not a lot of people know, but that can actually be very helpful. Look, as an example, if you wanted to work just on the island up, the island is a group itself, right? Double click on it and you have only your island that appears. That helps you, that allows you to do whatever you want on it, and then click outside or escape and your whole model reappears. Okay, just my stairs. And so on. There you go. That was a quick and dirty little trick on SketchUp. Hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to follow if you want more. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.